Hey, congrats. I think I don't think for first there was a streak, but I think Turing is on stream 3 for last. Oh, so you guys get to hear me crunching on popcorn right now. Right on. Oh, I almost hit stop streaming. Oh yeah, so Turing is on a 2 stream class. I know. So I know most of you guys, if not in the States, you don't Trader Joe. They actually have a French onion Trader Joe French onion popcorn, which is actually pretty good. It's actually pretty good. I really am enjoying. At first I was like, not sure, but yeah, I'll take it. Hi worm. Popcorn. I'm chewing. And am I using Baby Bunny's old bowl that like sticks to the table? Yes, yes I am. Okay. So I was able to get some work done today while Baby Bunny was doing quiet time. And so I have my stuff split. Now the seasonal events I have to scrape. And then this this needs to be made into smaller functions for sure. At okay, so I think actually I'm gonna want to do events. I'm gonna want this here. Hey, Pure Sizzle. How was your job? I feel like I remember you were on the last interview. Did you get the job? What's going on? It's pretty good. It's pretty good. So if you're stateside with a Trader Joe's nearby, so they had a hot honey one that I got, and then also I tried the French onion one. The hot honey one's good, but I think I have to be in the really good mood or really right mood. Oh, it's alt, was it alt down? Hold on. Oh, what did I do? Yeah, it's alt down. Rython. Congratulations! Oh my gosh, I'm so happy for you, Pure Sizzle. Yeah, that was actually one of my first shortcuts I learned. It's not a keybind. I think it's actually built into VS Code. Yeah, so that was one of the first keybinds I learned. What am I doing? What am I doing? Oh, yeah, I was going to look at. Okay, so when we are here, we want to get the links. Okay, so we have the events. Data. We're actually gonna put this as hey, whoops. Do text. Event text. Event text. Mm. Oh my gosh. I don't know why I keep doing that. F2 for text. Event text. Have the info. And then we want to get actually, hold on. So we went for row in rows. We're gonna just do that. For row and rows, we're gonna do row dot split. Next one, two. I think that should be good. And then we're going to do. Let me make sure that this still prints properly. Hi too woke. Here, Sizzle, I'm so happy for you. Oh my gosh. Okay, so speaking of jobs, I actually saw that PlayStation was hire. Oh, something happened. Okay, so I saw PlayStation is actually hiring a junior software engineer, and I'm just like, I have a high school friend who has them listed on LinkedIn that they work for them, but I'm not sure if they do. Like, still, you know? So I'm just like, do I like ask for a referral? Yeah, like, ugh, shoot my shot. But then it's like, I remember we kind of just stopped talking. Oh, hold on, hold on. Hold on. Wait. Is this? No, don't down. That's not how I land. Okay, so no. So do I? Sorry, my chair. Oh, that thing again where it turned and the wheel is like straight forwards and it won't let me roll under my desk. But it's like I just remember we kind of not ended or like stopped talking on bad note, but more like he got married and just kind of, I don't know, fell off the face of the earth. Yes, Felix, we are print debugging. Find element. Oh my gosh, it's because there's only one element. What am I doing? What am I doing? Okay, okay. Uh, so what did I just... Okay, let's go back. Okay. Okay, so there's only one row. And we're going to rename this. Okay, and then so now we have to find all of the elements. Okay, so then so going to do okay, so right now I have seasonal events. I have a list of seasonal events all-star game. Basically what I want to do is I want the seasonal events, and then I want this to be under event, and then we would go to the game, and then we would find the location, the attendance, and the winner. Does it tell us the winner? Oh, okay. Wait, but no, does it actually tell us the winner? And actually, do I need question? Okay, it's fine. It's fine. For now, we're going to just get the events that happened in that year. I'm not going to worry about the stats later. Except I've been struggling on this thing for like the past 3 days. And I wrote this. Oh, this is here, Sizzle. You'll get a kick out of this. I wrote this project that as though it was already complete for my LinkedIn essay. So I was like, I don't have any other projects I want to submit. I submitted a Kaggle data analysis, data validation, cleaning, visualization notebook for the AI machine learning tract. But then I was like, I don't want to do that for the back end. So I was like, oh, I'm gonna have to get this done anyways. But now I'm just like, oh my gosh, now I'm rushing. I feel like I'm rushing. And okay, so I'm not going to worry about this one yet. So we have the events. We have player team. If not, self dot player stats dot get year. Going to oh, this needs to be a default dictionary. Okay, I was right. Ooh. Actually, how do I... Hey, Misty. Well, okay. So I'm rushing because application was due on Friday night, right? And then apparently some people's applications have already changed to in review for their essays, and that means that their projects are going to get looked at soon. And if that's the case, then what if I don't have a project in my GitHub that I provided, what are they going to look at? Am I able to use get for a nested dictionary like this? Oh, wait, actually, just kidding. Here. Just kidding. Got it. Got it. Got it. Hi, Shinoi. I think. I think. What's my job searching strategy? There's apprenticeships. It's apprenticeship season right now, and there's just a whole bunch of apprenticeships to apply for. Like I applied for Visa and LinkedIn, and then Airbnb is going to open soon, and I know Pinterest is supposed to open soon. I'm still pretty sure that I got blacklisted on Pinterest, but we'll see. Oh, okay, okay. Uh, that makes sense. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? Get year. Wait. Hold on. I'm not trying to get a value right now, Felix. Can do get thing well, I don't know. I thought you were asking in relevance to what I am putting. So that's why I responded like, I don't know. uh Oh, yeah. Okay, try. Try. Okay. Um try if set. Did I do that? Okay, so try if self dot player stats dot okay, so but I don't want to return. Okay, so I think the issue is I don't want to return an empty dictionary. Because if it doesn't have the year. Okay, you know what? Hey, Howling. I need the Howling. I don't know if you heard what I was just saying. I may or may not have put this project on my LinkedIn Reach application, and they're already reviewing the application, so I need to get this done now. Hi, Wab. Sure, beer sizzle. So that's why I'm grinding this. Oh, and also Pierce, no, it's for a back-end apprenticeship role. So I did apply to their AI machine learning apprenticeship as well. Um, I thought I mentioned this to you. I'm sorry if I didn't mention it to you, but honestly, if you have a full-time role, you're probably making more than what their apprenticeships are. Hi, Jet. Whatever interests you. Honestly, like, if you're gonna do a hobby project or a side project and it's not something that really interests you, then why why do it if it's not like it's exclamation mark socials or exclamation mark GitHub? Hi, Han. Okay, hold on, hold on, hold on. Actually, hold on. Here. So basically, first thing, we need to check if we have the year. If we don't even have the year, we don't have to check for the others. So basically, if there is not the year, we would add the year and the league. But if there is the year, just kidding. If there is the year, that league information shouldn't even be added yet here. Because I'm doing it now. Oh, wait. The reason why I had to check here Oh. Okay. Okay, I know. We're jumping around right now. But I don't need, if I have the events already, I don't need to scrape again. So the only reason why I would need to scrape and get the data is if this year's events does not work. This one I don't need to do because self dot player stats year player, oh wait, year league, and then equals player. Okay, and then self dot team stats year league. Yeah, so because yeah, even if the year exists, that's okay because we want the key. It's just gonna pull from the same key, and then we just add the league, and then yeah, okay. 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 Well then remove the try and do double get. I give you small some I give you a small something to work on? Yes, Misty. Django. No, this is Selenium and Python. Find it. Wait, what? My GitHub is Bunny Bytes without the underscore. Oh no, so I don't even bother with internships because interns require you to be in school. And I'm not going for internship roles. I'm going for the... Is my camera like flipping out? Why is it blinking? Okay. So I'm going for apprenticeships, not internships. So internships are for students that are in college getting their BS or their master's. Apprenticeships are for people usually either returning from a long hiatus or else for self-taught or non-traditional routes. There's 20 lines without a line break. Hold on. Sorry. What are you talking about for 20 lines without a line break? So Hans, it touches a lot of data engineering stuff because it is a data engineering track. However, it doesn't go really deep into the data engineering yet because I think that's for the next one. The lessons are not the thing on the right is not available publicly that I know of. I think some people have found. I know it's open source. I just don't know where it's posted. But I don't know if the lessons themselves, like the lesson overviews, are posted anywhere. 50. Oh, are you looking at my repo right now? 50 to 61. Wait, 50 to 60. Why do I think we're talking about two different... What? One... Are you talking about 150 to 161? This part? No worries, Pure Sizzle. No. Thanks so much for the follow, Lord Era. Hold on. I think I missed something. Oh, sorry. Is that better? Better? I don't think that's better. Why is that not? Okay. I don't know why my VS Code, I didn't think I had it adjusted like that, but apparently I do. Okay. Logical white space. Okay, so much for the follow, Dr. Wiseman. Okay, hold on. Okay, let me fix it. Wait, where did my baby... Oh, shoot. My baby monitor turned off. It's like, it got really quiet. Okay, let me fix it. Okay, guys, hold on. Okay, is that better? 153. Oh, yeah. This is just me writing things out. Normally, I do try to add line breaks, but obviously, like for this one, I'm like, make smaller functions and yeah. Okay. I'm using Code the Dream. Wrong way. Wait, no. Wrong. What? Why does it keep turning off? No, seriously, why does this keep turning off? How's there 27? Is it full? Oh, oh yeah. Wait, does your IDE not do this? Does your IDE not do this? And also, oh my goodness, guys. Okay. Okay, now back to what we were doing. We are going to print self.player stats and self.stats. Yeah, okay. I use relative. I don't think I've ever heard of that one. Oh, another thing. Besides the French onion popcorn, I love Trader Joe's. I don't actually shop there as much because there isn't really one conveniently close to where I live. And the one that is somewhat close is not really convenient because the parking lot is tiny. Like, tiny. So I hate going to that one. How many languages do I work? I mean, I'd like to get skilled enough in React that I can write it like I can Python. So Python is my strongest language. I still have to look things up, but I'm comfortable enough to think that, okay, oh, why did that not work? I'm comfortable enough to know that I know what I'm doing. No, I do not know R. Okay, so why is that not printing? Do I have the wrong? Do I have the wrong? No, no, self. Is it because, well, no, hold on. Okay, I need a, sorry guys. This is driving me crazy. I know this works. I know this works. I know that works. I know this works. Okay. Clean events. I know this works. So I broke something here. Why did I break something? How did I break something? Oh my gosh. And... oh wait, no, that's... I think it's because this is supposed to be default dictionary, dictionary. Default dictionary, dictionary. Uh, it's the truth. I think you could get a React job without knowing it. It's not hard to pick up. So yeah, uh, I get that, but it's you need to at least have some sort of like demonstration that you know it for you to even be considered for it, right? Okay. So we got, and I just want to drop the top 25, but I'm not going to worry about that just yet. Self.events. Okay. So wait, why did that all of a sudden work again? Oh, duh. Got it. Okay, so we are going to now okay, and then we're also going to log data. Then we're also going to define, what was I gonna just do? Oh, convert to data frame, self dictionary. And this would also, why is it catching everything? Because the only reason I have this try and accept is because there is a here, I'll show you. I'll show you guys. Okay, so Misty, right now I'm only scraping American and National League. And then the only problem is if I look at this link, so I use regex for it. So this one ends in a.shtml, right? But then what's one that is 18? Wait, hold on. Oh, so then like this one 1891, this one also ends in an A. But I'm not scraping this one. It occurs when this doesn't fit one of the patterns. Get year league, right? So it doesn't fit it doesn't fit this pattern. I mean, I guess I could just do American National and then just catch all over here. So if I do all and then catch all, the function occurs when this link gets sent to here. For whatever reason, it says I can't open the URL. There was an error. I don't need to try. Oh. I can move this down here, is what you're saying. Wait, I need this up here. I need that up there. Okay. Okie dokie. Convert to data frame. So we have, this is the list. Okay, so we want to, for six. Change the stick. And then and oopsies, that wasn't what I wanted to do. Special event. Ah, yeah. Ah. Okay, I think this was special events and salary. I just realized this is gonna go really, 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 really long. So we're going to hold off on that. Did I remove the print? I think I removed the prints. Ah, dang it. Okay. Okay. I had to close Chrome, so I might have missed some. Oops. Sorry. Okay, so now we want to just so I can confirm what the okay, so seasonal events, yeah. Perfect. Okay, so what we're going to do is okay, so we're gonna do is events. So for events, list, let me think about this. So we're gonna have the dictionary keys, and that's gonna have all of the years. And basically, we want to go through each of the years. The index is going to be the years. Oh. We want to take the year and put it into Okay, hold on. I'm gonna hit focus mode really quick. And, oh wait, I have the wrong focus. Okay, so I'm gonna hit a focus mode really quick and I'm gonna talk through how to... Okay, so for... we're going to have... We're gonna pull that particular... I'm actually gonna ask... a list... Oh, wait. Yeah. I just realized get event. Where's my... There's an issue here. Okay, you know what? I'm not gonna worry about that right now. It's fine. I know it's gonna cause me issues later, but right now, I'm gonna focus. Oh, the info for year info for year. dot. Hold on. Wait a second. So I don't have all of the data. Okay. I'm not gonna worry about the events. The events one is seriously the one that's been causing me so much headache. Like the need to scrape for the events. So we're not gonna worry about that right now. We're going to convert that's frame and that self dictionary to have stats is here. So we have for here stats in dictionary dot items. So that would be the key. The year is the key. So we have 19. Gosh, so bad. So bad. We have a dictionary 1991, and then we have another another dictionary, American League. Okay, and then we have things stats, pitching, and then in that there's a whole list of stuff. Stat 1, stat 2, stat 3, okay, and pitching. We're going to also have a whole bunch of stats. Okay, and then close that. Okay, so if we were to get, so we would have 90. Oh, that's not what I want. So if we have 1991, and then we also now have that, and then we now have this. Okay, so we would add this to here. And then we have the American League. Okay, so we add the year to the stats. American. Why am I doing this now? Why did I not do this when I was writing the... Yeah, I know it's ridiculous amount of indents. I can refactor it later. Okay, I can refactor it later. Um, I already have passing the... Okay, so for row and rows, if cells, we're gonna have... Hold on, guys. We're also going to have... stats to... I mean, that seems really silly, though. That seems really silly that I would be doing that. Because I found the year previously for the league, and I had decided I was going to log it by the year. Expected... So, and then we have stats. So... Focus mode is... Thanks so much for the follow. Oh my goodness. Dr. Weissman and George. Yeah. Hi Rishi. I would start learning Python, but definitely I didn't know how to become a data engineer, so I am taking a programming course. Learn how to be a data engineer, but there's a lot of data visualization. You also know Flasky how much time I mean, hi Missy. So I've been learning to program for about 4 years now, but to be fair, like I always like to say, as a disclaimer, I did program a baby in that time, and I am constantly pushing updates to her. and debugging her behaviors. So, yeah, it has not been full-time learning. It's been part-time learning. But full-time programming parent programming. Oh, wait. Okay. Full-time parent programming, but part-time coding programming. Okay, where did you Okay. Okay, so for year and stats, we're going to do yeah. So, okay, so my instinct is right. It's just how do I get this? So we're going to have year, and then we're also going to need to get the stats. And these. Ah. Okay. Is class in it doing everything, or do I have a call? I do not have a call. Do I? I mean, I have Hold on, where is it? Okay, I'm not going to worry about that right now, Misty. Otherwise, I'm gonna go off on a big tangent right now. Again, like I need to get this somewhat working. Um, yeah, I need to get this somewhat working before LinkedIn looks at it. Okay, so we are um I get that, Misty, but if my code like isn't even doing the bare minimum, but it's not even that it's not a finished product. It's like I get that, and it's not that I'm gonna leave it like that, Misty. But I'm always constantly being told refactor after I get the code to work. Like I get it. I get what you're saying, Misty. But and like you know I respect you. You know I respect you, but I also am just I'm just trying to focus on what I planned to focus on tonight and not get distracted on a tangent and then feel like I didn't get anything done tonight. Even though I might get a lot done, it wouldn't feel that way to me because it wasn't something that I had on my list to get done. And like I really really respect you and your knowledge and what like what you bring, and yeah, and I don't want to upset you. I'm just like I already know, like in my to-dos, I already know like for this was bad like code. Like I already know that this is not easy to read. And it's like I just feel like I'm disappointing you now because I don't want to listen to you. And like I get that my code isn't easy to read right now. But if I start trying to clean it up now, I already know I just like I don't get a lot of time to program as it is. And I get it. I have some bad habits and I'm not ashamed to admit I have bad habits. I have non professional working code habits. But what I'm trying to say is I just need to feel like I am getting something done off of my to-do list. I get that nobody's code is perfect. But right now, like how I code is again a lot of trial and error. And I get that you're trying to teach me best practices. I get that. But it just feels like something else on top of the things that I'm trying to learn right now. And if I weren't trying to get this project done for one, the final, but also for the like this is like see, I'm not trying to say that I'm not listening to you. It's just again, I will probably get only an hour left tonight. And then I don't know if I'm going to get to code tomorrow. Like it's always a toss up how long I get to code every night. Or if I'm even going to be able to code. And sometimes I don't stream and I focus on coding, and sometimes I do stream. And it's just like if I had a consistent schedule of being able to study, I feel like I wouldn't feel like I wasn't getting anything done on my to-do list. Oh, sorry guys. I forgot I was still on Be Right Back. Okay. Oh my gosh. Thanks, Cranky. Um, oh my god. I'm sorry, guys. I'm always such an emotional mess nowadays. I'm sorry. Fuck. Statistic. Oh. What was it? This was 1996. I'm gonna actually hit a long focus mode, guys. I'm I'm gonna try and focus. And oh, thanks so much for the follow, Wegaman. I'm gonna hit a focus and just try and get as much done right now. So okay. Uh God. Okay, so I'm at the point where I feel like I want to delete my entire code and just start from scratch. And I know that's just my emotions talking right now. Oh my god. Um Oh my god. Oh god, now my baby's awake. Okay. Um I'll be right back, guys. Thanks so much for the follow, Wegaman. Follow this. So, my code is broken anyways. Oh my god. I drop. I want to. Everything. Everything. Okay. I'm gonna hit a focus mode. I know. I don't think baby's gonna stay asleep for very long. I'm pretty sure 20 minutes. Knock on wood. Yeah, I'm gonna hit a focus mode. I'm gonna just try and get this cranked out. Okay. So let's fix this for so we would need the previous cell. That too. Tom. I know this is being hard coded in, but right now I don't know. I just want to remove this top 25 too. It's driving me nuts. Ugh. Cells. Oh, wait, no, sorry. I hate this function. Where are my key banners? Let's see how badly I broke my code. Oh, crud. Wait, am I still... Yeah, okay, okay. Non-type is not scriptable. Oh. Okay, so... Saves. So right here, it broke. So this needs to be... So this is breaking here. Oh my gosh, it's... No, no, no. Hold on. Oh, it's because... Yeah, it's because that's outside the for loop. Because otherwise, it renames it every single... No. Oh my god. Okay. Type error. Insert expected 2 arguments. Got 1. Oh wait, hold on. List dot insert. Oh, it's supposed to be at the index. All right. Oh, what am I doing? This can just be cells equals end. End. Wait, why? Oh. Wait. What? Hold on, hold on. Difference. Key. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? Retrieve cells minus link cells. Ugh. Okay, well, at least... Okay, so at least some of it got fixed. Okay, and then this should have fixed it. This should have fixed it. Todd. Save. Number. No, it did not fix it. Hold on. Why am I slicing? Slicing list Python. It is start, stop. So if the length of previous cells Okay, so length of previous cells is 4. Right? It should be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It should be 4. Length of previous cells was 4. So length of cells should be 3. So this should start at... I'm like... Save. 3. I need... Wait, what? Hold on. Atlanta. What? Saves. Or 5. I'm so confused. Oh, it's down here. So why did that? Why did that happen? Atlanta. Did that one not correctly? National League. Atlanta 20. So why? Oh, but I'm still confused why that is where it happened. So we have 2 plus 1. Okay. And I'm gonna kind of not follow focus completely, but anyways. Hi, Keo. Thanks so much for subscribing on YouTube, Bashir. I appreciate it so much. Yeah, Stannis, I agree. I want to move it to different functions, but we'll get to that in just a little bit. Saves, number. What the heck? Oh my gosh, no, I need it to I only need the last one. Okay, just kidding, just kidding. Okay. So we want the last one and we want to go backwards? No. Hold on. So I know Wait, I am like it should be -1, right? No. Oh god. Hold on. This is Oh. Oh, no, I was right. I was right. I was right. It's just that. So then if we do -2, there we go. -2. Out of curiosity. Out of curiosity. I'm confused as to why strikeouts is showing up, so we're gonna have to double check that too. This would drive me up the wall. What would? All my print statements? Cincinnati. Okay. Okay. Got it. Got it. So this should address... Actually, I think that might address this too. I think it might. Let's see if we can't. It's fine. It's fine. If I have extra code, it's fine for now. I just... I need to get this working and at least get some sort of data frame. Like, that was my goal tonight, to get my data frames working. I'm not coder. You just want to learn. I mean, to be fair, if you stick around my streams long enough, you're gonna see I'm pretty much the same way. That's okay, so a lot of nested loops. A lot of nested loops. Oh, fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Get it working first. Get it working. What I was saying was, if you stick around my stream long enough, you will. I'm quite chaotic with my get it working. So we want I don't or that's statistics. Not Hi, Daniel. Yeah, I know. My focus is pretty hot today. Okay, for items and stats, okay, we're going to now. So now we should have this. This should be a list. One. Okay, so all of this. And then we're going to add here. Gonna do, and there's equal dot b do stats. Oopsie. The only problem is this a list. It's not even a list of dictionary. Thanks so much for the follow, AI97. So I am pursuing becoming a data engineer. Hi, Chili. Um, it's hold on. Hmm. We're gonna try it. Okay, we'll try it. Let's see. something. Yeah, my focus. So bad, right? So bad. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, 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 okay. So that works. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, so quick tip, if you add type hints, you can get that's another thing. I've learned type hints before and I forget to use them. The funny thing is, I feel like this is the type hint, right? Like right I don't even know where did it go? Ugh. Get yearly. Get data. Right here. Log data. Right here. I made this, right? And then I just completely forgot. Yeah, so I definitely have to go back to um fix that too, besides what Miss D was talking about, which I'm gonna have to get clarification. Oh. This can definitely be a this part can definitely a I know how to speak. No, not at all. I do not know how to speak. This can definitely be a function. Let's actually do that. I then what a data engineer like receive um yeah, it's basically the people that um validate and clean and verify the data bef- before it gets sent to data scientists and more the LLMs, AI. Data pipe. Hey, Mr. Stone, welcome in. Thank you. We had it was touch and go earlier. It was touch and go earlier. My emotions are definitely I blame it on lack of sleep, lack of time, and trying to do this while also ridiculously high energy and smart toddler. Did I tell you guys? I know my focus will turn off right now. Did I tell you her quiet time consisted of me having to go in every 5 to 10 minutes because we put a door lock on. She busts. So we put a door lock on. But the only problem is she has a little Tag Stream machine. And remember how I said she's still very petite. Still very she's still very she's still very young, you know? And she has trouble putting the little booklet things in. She can get them out, but she can't put them in all the way. Like if she can lay it down, she can push it in. The only problem is if she lays it down, she pushes on the eject button, so then she can't get it all the way in. Anyways, and normally it's not a huge deal. Normally she doesn't like want to focus on that, but I think she was just really clean. And I get it. She had preschool today, which means she was not with me. But then, like, she had told me that she wanted to nap, but then she didn't nap, and it was. Bro, no! How are you? I know how to. How are you? I remember I know we haven't in a while. Are you still looking for a new job? Did you find a new job? Thanks, Turing. Okay. So let's make this define add to T. Thanks so much for gifting a sub to Chrono. um, how was your stream? And I know we haven't talked for a while, but have you found a new job? Are you still looking? What is going on there? Hi, C Films. To take. Going to data engineering is you missed the meltdown earlier today. And then I had to go comfort my baby while I was crying. And then it took even longer and she didn't want to go back to sleep. And oh my gosh, and then I had to like smile, but then I was also like crying as I was hugging her. So another hasn't gotten back to me. Still looking. One placed an internal and then seemed to have ghosted me. I'm sorry. Okay, well, you did final round. They haven't gotten back to you. So hopefully they're still debating, right? Right? And then we're gonna or actually we're gonna return stats. I know that wasn't exactly a lot, but you know what? It's fine. Be standing table. Although can that work? Hold on. Does that work? We're gonna find out, okay? We're gonna find out. We're gonna not. Hit. My fingers. Wait. I have did do you work with text data text and I'm sorry, I don't my brain is not able to decipher that, Miss Stone. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. No worries. No worries, Chrono. I should also be going to bed, but I'm not. So go figure. Go figure. Oh, wait. And then let's... I know. My brain too. My brain too. I was just like reading that and I was just like I can't decipher it right now. Like maybe in the on another day I could, but not tonight. Not tonight. Okay. Wait, guys. Okay. 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 It worked. It worked. Okay. So we can do this. We can do this. I mean, technically, I could probably get rid of this part too. Okay, hold on. Let me try this. Let me try this before I run it. Um, if I were to do for item name. Okay, so then this is names. How'd I build a data pipeline out of this? My brain isn't braining right now. I use Selenium to scrape all of this information from here. And yeah. So that's been fun, guys. So much fun. So much fun. So now, if we were to for name in table names, name in table name at self dot add to table, that would name or sorry, oh dang it, oh here, let's do this then. Or I guess it could be just yeah, okay. Or key value in, or actually name table names would have self, that would be table comma data comma year league. I have no more water. Hydrate, guys. Too many values to unpack. expected to. Value error. 2 hit table. Print table, comma, main. I feel like it's the table that is the issue. It is the table that is the issue, I think. Unable to. Oh, wait. This never even. Oh my gosh. Got items. Oh my god. Gosh. Okay. Okay, so this needs to be return stats. And then this needs to be table.append. Hi, VM. I am doing a web scraping program that I'm going to create a dashboard for in either Dash or Streamlit. Have not decided yet. And yeah, that is what I'm doing. Huh. Why is it only doing it once? Is it because... Okay, so why is that now? Okay, so this is what happened in my Twitch. This is actually what happened in my Twitch online assessment. So if I just do this, let's. I'm gonna ask AI. I feel like it has something to do with the return, but at the same time, it shouldn't. Oh, God. I'm so close, guys. I'm so... I know I am. I know I am. Your table name... Info appears to be the result of that table. Send. I don't think that's the key. Oh my gosh. Wait. Table? Hmm. Hi, Oreo. I am building a web scraping app. And yeah, I'm going to display all of the data in a I really don't know how to talk right now. Display all the data in a dashboard either with Streamlit or Dash. Okay, so oh my gosh, what am I doing? Print table. No, okay. You know what? It's fine. It's fine. We're just gonna do... Okay. So I should have doubles. Yeah, so this is all the stuff I should have. So we're gonna get rid of this. We're just gonna we're gonna do this way. It's fine. Fine, it's fine, it's fine. Wait, hold on. Hold on. I don't think that worked. Did it? I don't remember now. I don't remember now. Oh, crud. Okay, hold on. This and this is okay. Hi, Ian. So, oh, I think yeah, okay. I think you need to demonstrate that you know how to clean and validate data well. And I think, I don't know, understand a little bit of AI, machine learning. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure. I'm just following the curriculum and hoping that it provides me with the tools I need to be. There's one position argument. Position to get a job. That's my hope. That's my hope. Whether or not it happens is another question, but it is my hope to have that. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay, so then we are going to also do I mean, I wonder if I can get rid of if items. Yeah, I wonder because technically I know. Hi Amir, welcome in. How are you today? Yay! Guys, it worked. Okay, so we can delete this. And we delete this. Okay, this does not stress me out as much. And then we're going to do hit data frame, hit stats equals panda dot data frame hit table. Then we're going to do Okay. A real respect. Up. Thank you. Okay. So then we're going to have pitch stats equals the data frame pitch table, and then have standing stats data frame. What happened? Try to. What happens if you try to empty list it? I mean, actually, it doesn't matter. Yeah. This, we don't have to do the check here because we're returning them all anyways. So we're gonna return its stats, pitch stats, stand stats. Okay, so then we will get hit data frame, hit data frame, hit data frame, pitch data frame, pitch data frame, and then ending. Okay. Oh, wait. This has to be player, hit, player, pitch, standing. Okay, and then we're going to also do team, hit, frame, team, pitch, data frame, standing, data frame, convert stats, self dot team stats. Okay, and then think this can go down here. Get data. Let's print layer data frame. We're gonna see. Oh, thanks so much for the follow, Envim Panda. Wait, guys. Okay. Oh my god. Now, let's crash my... I'm also... What did I want to do? I wanted to... self.player that. Wait. Just kidding. I totally oh my gosh, Amir, thank you so much for supporting my hope of being able to ice skate at home. I appreciate it. Baby is awake again. Okay, hold on. Please go back to sleep. Please go back to sleep. Please go back to sleep. I'm gonna see. Okay. I knew Python before this. Okay. So she's either going to flip out and I will not be able to get her back to sleep, or else gonna go back to sleep. I am hoping she goes back to sleep. I am hoping. But no promise. I think though. Uh Oh my god. Maybe. And I. God. Oh my god. And then I just broke my code too. Guys. Oh my god. It was working and now it's not working and it's awake and okay, I don't think I can stay up much. Oh, okay, well, why did that work? Okay, I don't get it. Oh my god. Okay, guys. I can't. Okay. Hold on. I'll be right back. Trying to get some more done before I really have to. Frustrating. It's frustrating. Okay. So works with one link. Right? Work. Yeah, I did a little bit of Spark. Actually, I don't remember if we used, but here is. Yeah, I know, because I'm just gonna leave. Here's a copy of the. Okay, let me get. And let's do scraper. It's steps to data. To okay. Okay. Oh, it didn't sync yet, did it? Sync it. Hey. Oh wait, no. Oh, okay. Okay. Gotta go. She's definitely awake. Is not happy, and I feel like I got nothing done. Even though I know I got stuff done. The fact that my freaking wait a second. Wait a second. Why is this? Oh my gosh, hold on. Hold on. What happened? What happened to this? What happened? No. Something's not working again. There we go. I know. I said I'm going to go, but oh. Okay, so we know this works. Okay, so that works. Why? Why is my links not working now? Oh, it's because I had moved. right? No. Oh, where did... Oh, dang. Okay, okay. I'm gonna... Get you... Get... Okay, I'm gonna move this back up here for now, because I feel like it broke it. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, so... Log data. Oh my gosh. Wait, no, 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 no. Why? Breaking. Breaking. Okay. That is working right now. Then why? Get data. So this is... Oops. Get data. What happened to my get data? Okay. This is a stupid long one. Player stat dicks. Stat dic. Maybe. Maybe. Thanks so much for the follow. Okay, well, something is working now. Thanks for following, Mima. I appreciate it. Okay, so something is working. No, I'm gonna plot them after I have retrieved them. I'm gonna let this run tonight because this is a lot of data. It's a lot of data, guys. And I'm caching it right now as well so that I don't have to keep accessing Chrome and scraping. So I'm gonna, yeah, it's this much data. And then on each page we go, and then I scrape all of this too. Oh, crud. Oh my gosh, Arth, thank you so much for the raid. I'm actually about to end, but I appreciate it. Ugh, crud, crud, crud. This is not good. This is different. Oh, well, I appreciate that so much. Yeah, I'm gonna let this run for now. I'm making a web scraper, but I was actually really about to. Oh my gosh. He's like up on my pillow right now. Yeah, so I'm plotting, or I'm trying to get all of this if I can find it. Oh, my PowerShell. Oh. So I have all of this data that I pulled, and yeah, and we're going to accept this. Has me a little worried. My code should address this, but I think oh, thanks so much for the follow. But I think that it's gonna screw my tables up. I don't know. Maybe we'll see. Okay. So it's still scraping. Yeah, I appreciate you guys all so. Especially since I'm so emotional nowadays. I'm so emotional with that, actually. I can't stay, so I'm gonna log. Yeah. Wait. Oh, Wait. Wait, something happened. Oh my god. Okay, this is all 1969. 1969. 1971. 1970. Oh my god. Wait. Ah, oh my gosh. Wait. Did it really? Did it really work? I don't know. I can't tell. I can't tell. Where is there a print statement? Oh, okay. That's gonna be a while. Oh my gosh. No, I think it worked, guys. What year are we on? 1982. Wait, guys. Well, I just was trying to see where it was erroring out, but oh my gosh, guys, wait. I my code works. Okay. I think I could cry. I think I could cry. We're gonna have to look at like later on. Obviously, some of these things are gonna get screwy, but okay. No, I have to actually go. I really do have to go. My baby is not gonna stay asleep and I have to get ready for um I have to get ready for bed too. But ah, please. Ah, oh my gosh. I think I could cry. I think I could cry. So I feel like so much the follow Captain Sirha. Like okay, okay, guys. I appreciate you all so much. I might not stream tomorrow. I might just focus on getting this done. But I also have to make a goodbye. Ugh, baby bunnies. Okay, I know I said I was gonna go, but I'm also really stressed because bunnies, baby bunnies bestie at her school is moving to Europe this week, and I wanted to make a little keychain for them because we have a really cute picture of the two of them together, and I would just love to make a keychain for them. But oh, thanks so much for the follow, Ruben. But yeah, so I'm like a little bit stressed about that too because they leave Wednesday. So last day we'll see them is Wednesday. And I'm just like, I need to get this. So yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna go. Have a good night, all. You guys are amazing. I appreciate you all so much, especially like sitting and hanging out in my streams, even when I'm having a mental breakdown. You guys are awesome. I really, really, so grateful for you. Okay. Turing. Okay, bye.